Claude Code subscriptions are very expensive, and that's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can use it 100% free using OpenRouter without needing a powerful PC. And in just 5 minutes I will show you how you can set everything up even if you're a complete beginner, plus at the end I will show you how to never hit any rate limits so you can have unlimited high quality coding whenever you want. So close all of your other tabs and let's dive right into it. Now a lot of you might ask, well Damian, how can we actually use Claude Code for free through the cloud? Don't we have to pay Anthropic for the usage of their AI model? And the answer to that is yes, but only if we're using Claude as the brain of our agent. Because what Claude Code is actually the agentic harness where the coding happens, which includes all the skills that it has, the MCP tools, the system prompts, the ability to control your machine, and all the other features that Anthropic has built into Claude Code, which has made it the best product to write the best possible code. And this harness, by default, uses an Anthropic AI model as its brain. So by default, it either uses Opus, Fable 5, Sonnet, or Haiku, which are all models developed by Anthropic, which, in order for us to use, we have to pay a fee to Anthropic via the form of API usage. But what we are going to do is we're going to swap this Anthropic brain with a free alternative model that runs in the cloud. And if you're wondering, multiple big companies offer these models, like Google, Nvidia, and many Chinese open code companies. And how we will be able to access these models is by using an API marketplace that is called OpenRouter that I will show you how to set up in a bit. But for now, what I want you to keep is that we will only switch the brain of our coding agent, and instead of using an Anthropic model, we're going to use a free alternative that OpenRouter provides for us. But now you might say, well Damian, sure, we might change that brain, but are we going to get the same result with the popular Anthropic models, or will our results be significantly worse? And to that I have to say that a lot of the free open source models are actually surprisingly very good, and they're almost as good as the top tier Anthropic models like Opus 4.8. As we can see, the Kimi-K 2.6 model, which is a completely free model, almost scores as much as Claude Opus 4.8 in the SWE bench. Or let's take another model for example, which is GLM 5.2. As you can see from this screenshot, GLM 5.2 scores almost as good as Opus 4.8 in multiple of these benchmarks, and in some of them it literally is able to tie it. So you guys can see that if we select the correct model, then we will get pretty similar results compared to the ones that we will get with Opus 4.8. Now, there will be a slight dink in performance, but to get that model completely for free is definitely worth the trade-off. And the best part is that because we're going to access these models through the cloud, you don't even need to have a powerful machine with multiple gigabytes of RAM to run them, since these models are not going to be running locally in our PC, and they're going to be running in the cloud through OpenRouter, which means that even if you have an 8GB RAM or the laptop, you can comfortably use these models completely for free, just like somebody with a $4,000 professional setup. And the last thing that I want to address before I show you how to set this up is the fact that many people that have done the setup in the past complain that they get rate limited when they're using these free models. Since a lot of people want to use them, sometimes OpenRouter servers get overwhelmed and they might tell you to wait a little bit before you can send your next prompt. But don't worry, because at the end of this video, I will show you a workaround that will basically eliminate these annoying rate limit messages and will basically allow you to use these free models as much as you want with basically no rate limiting at all. So for that, make sure you stay till the end. And now let me actually show you how you can set up Claude Code to run with these completely free models that run in the cloud through OpenRouter. And the first step to make this happen is to actually install Claude Code in your machine. Now if you already have Claude Code installed, you can skip the step, but if you don't, you can simply go over in the docs that I have linked in the description below, and then simply copy this command if you're using macOS or Linux, and if you're using Windows, copy one of the two commands underneath. Now since I'm using Mac, I'm going to copy this one, and then what you need to do is to open up your IDE. It can either be under Gravity, It can be cursor, or it can even be VS Code, but ideally it needs to be something that gives you access to an AI assistant just like Anti-Gravity does, and you will see why in a bit. But for now, the first thing that we have to do is to simply come over here, paste in the command, and install Claude Code in our machine. And boom, as you can see, my installation completed, and now if I come over here and type in Claude, I can normally access Claude Code. But as you can see, Claude Code is using one of the default models provided by Anthropic, and we obviously want to change that. We need to go over in a platform that's called OpenRouter, and specifically to openrouter.ai, which I have linked in the description below, and then what you need to do is to simply create a free account. And once you do that, it's time that we go over and we explore all the free models that they have, which we can do by simply coming over here to the top and clicking on models, and that is going to bring us over in this interface over here, where we can see all the models that OpenRouter is offering. And as you can see, the top one over here says that it is completely free. But in this list, we also have paid models like Claude Sonnet 5, Google Nano Banana, and a bunch more. So to filter for only the free ones, we simply need to come over here to search models and type free, and this is going to return us all the models that OpenRouter is offering to us completely for free. Now, as you can see, this is a pretty long list that includes models from NVIDIA, OpenAI, and also from Google. Now, let's say, for example, we wanted to use this Google Gemma 4 model completely for free. All we would have to do is to simply come over here and click on it, which is going to bring us over inside this page where it gives us some information about the model. It's telling us that the price is also free, and then over here to the top of the page, it also gives us the exact name of the model. But before we use any of that information, the first thing that we have to do is to go over to the OpenRouter docs for Claude Code, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, where OpenRouter basically has detailed step-by-step instructions for how you can change from the default models that Claude Code is using and make Claude Code use one of the models through their API. Now, normally what you would do is you would actually sit there, read the docs, and go and perform all of the steps one by one. But since we're using an IDE that has access to an AI assistant like Anti-Gravity, all we have to do is to simply come over here and copy the URL of the docs, then come back over to Anti-Gravity, paste in the URL, and say something like, hey, what I want to do is make Claude Code use one of the models through OpenRouter. Specifically, I want it to use the following model with the following name. And what you do is you come back over to the free model that you want to use, which in our case is Google Gemma 4, and then you simply come over here and you copy the exact name that it has, then you simply come back over to Anti-Gravity, you paste in that exact name, and then the only other thing that Anti-Gravity needs to set this up for us is access to our OpenRouter API key. So to create this key, simply come back over to OpenRouter and come back over here in the homepage, then click on Get API key, which is going to bring us over in this page over here, where we can come, create a brand new API key. I'm going to call my one Damien, and then you can also add in a credit limit if you want. I'm going to add $5 for this one, and I'm going to create it. Now, once you create it, simply copy it, come back to Anti-Gravity, say something like, this is my API key, then simply paste in the API key that you just copied and send over that prompt. So Anti-Gravity can now go, get inside your files and do all the required setup for you to be able to run Claude Code with a model of your choice from OpenRouter rather than the default Anthropic models that it currently has. And the reason why I specifically like Anti-Gravity for this is that they also give you completely free AI usage, which means that you can literally set this up without needing to pay any API credits for the AI assistant that does the setup for you. But if you want, you can obviously do this in Cursor as well and in any other AI coding assistant. And boom, as you can see, that's exactly what Anti-Gravity went over and did for us, and it's telling us that I've successfully set up Claude Code to route all the requests to OpenRouter, and as we can see over here, it went over to the files and it made all of these changes. So now Claude Code can use the model that we have selected on OpenRouter, and if I actually full screen my Claude Code over here, you can see that if I zoom into it over here, it is using the Gemma 4 31 billion parameters model and not Opus 4.8 like it was before, which is exactly what we wanted. And just to make it simple for you, I'm also going to leave this full prompt that I use for this setup in the description, so you can simply copy and paste it, and the only thing that you have to change is put your own unique API key. And now, just to test this out, that you can see that this works, if I come over here and I send over a message like hello, I'm either going to get a response or I'm going to get an error, as you can see over here, and that's because a lot of people are currently using this AI model, and this is basically the rate limiting problem that I talked about before. And the fact that we immediately run into it is perfect, because right now I'm going to show you how you can bypass this error and basically never get rate limited again. And how you can do that is by coming back over to OpenRouter and again searching for all the free models, and then what you need to do is to simply scroll all the way down here to the bottom of the page, where you will see this option that says free models router. And if you actually click on it, you will see that what this basically does is it uses a bunch of different free AI models, and if one of them currently has a lot of usage and the OpenRouter server wouldn't be able to accommodate that request, then it automatically switches to the next one. Which basically means that you never get rate limited and you never get that annoying API error message. So how you can make Claude Code use this free models router mode is by simply coming over here and copying the name of it, and then simply come back over to Undergravity and say something like, hey, what I want you to do is to use this mode so Claude Code can switch the model when one is not able to accommodate that request, or something like that, and then simply paste in the name that you just copied and click on enter. So Undergravity can now go and switch the Gemma 4 model that we currently have to that free OpenRouter option, which includes multiple different models, like the Gemma 4 model that we currently have, but it also includes models like GPT OSS, multiple NVIDIA models, and many more. And as you can see, that's exactly what it did, since if we come over here to the top, we can see that Claude Code is now using the OpenRouter/free option. And now if we come over here and we say hello, for example, we will see that we are not going to get an API error, and this time we will actually get a response, which is exactly what we wanted. And just so you can see the power of this, I could come over here and tell it, hey, what I want you to do is to build me a modern looking website for a dental clinic. You can use whatever style you want. I just want it to be very modern and have all the core features that a landing page and a website has. And then I want you to spin this up in a local host so I can check it out. And now that we type a prompt telling Claude Code to build us a dental clinic website, all we have to do is to simply send this over and let Claude Code build us this website completely for free with a model that is running in the cloud and not in our machine, which again means that you don't need a powerful 32GB machine in order for you to be able to use AI and Claude Code completely for free. And boom, as you can see, that's exactly what it did. And now I am able to come over here, open up the local host, which if I open up, I can see it being displayed over here, where as you can see over here, we have a dental clinic website with some reviews, with a contact us section, and with some information about the services, along with this very nice and smooth animations. So that is how you can use Claude Code with completely free models that are running in the cloud. Now, if you want more dedicated help with setting this up, or if you need any other guidance when it comes to AI, make sure you click the top link in my description and you come and check out my school community, and also YouTube things that you're going to enjoy this video, in which I show you how you can use Claude Code completely for free, but this time by running local models in your machine. So make sure you go and watch that next, and I will see you over there.